Hello class, I just want to give you a quick video to help with the internet scavenger hunt just in case if you are confused as to how to actually copy and paste a screenshot. It does give specific directions for it, but I just wanted to show you as well. Also, if you don't have the FN button, for instance, my laptop or excuse me, my computer does not have an FN button, so I have to pick a different button to actually screenshot it. So I just want to show you how to do that. I'm going to try to put a picture up as well so you'll know what symbol I'm talking about, just in case yours doesn't say Windows. It's like a little window for four little squares. That's the Windows button, but I'll try to put a picture up too. But when you get to it, it does have all the directions here. So just make sure to read the directions for what you need to answer for the PowerPoint. But I just want to show you how to download it and screenshot. Where does it go? But you will need to click on the template because you're going to have to actually use this template to do it. So it should automatically download to your computer. So after it downloads, you'll just need to open that up. Give it a second. Click Enable Edit. So I already have it in the format that I want you to do it. So you'll first go in, you'll put your name here. Okay. After that, you'll see the first question is, what is a SkyCCC website address? Okay. So what you would do is that, for instance, I already have it up. So that will be the home address here. But I want you to actually provide a screenshot of this web page. So like I said, if you have the FN button, you would click the FN button and the print screen button at the same time. If you don't have the FN button, like I said, you'll pick the one that looks like a Windows symbol, or it may say Windows, but you would actually just click both at the same time. You see how mine just flashed a little bit? So where it goes when you actually do a copy screen, it goes to your pictures file. So I would have to go back to my computer. You see I clicked the little file. You can also get here if you click on like the Windows symbol. This is the symbol actually that it should look like on your computer if you don't, on your keyboard if you don't have the FN button. But if you go to the little file button down here as well, you should be able to get to your folders. I don't know why right now for the moment I cannot find it. However, usually though, it will have it at the bottom on your start screen as well. But either way, so you will go into your file folder and then you'll click on pictures. It'll have a folder that's already saving your screenshots. So that's where you'll go there. So here you'll see the screenshot. What you need to do is right click your mouse and click copy. Okay. Or you could, I always tell you all, you could like click on it and then click Control C on your laptop. Then you will go back to your actual PowerPoint. Click here like the regular click. Then you can click either right click paste. Okay. Or you could do Control P. So when you do that, you see it automatically put it there, okay, for the screenshot. Now, because of the fact that it is doing this circle thing, you may want to actually change that. And I think you can if you go up here to square so that I can actually see the web address. But then you would also put here the actual web address. So I will go back. You can right click, copy, paste. All right, and you see it put it there, okay? So you will go through this entire PowerPoint and answer the questions. Ensure to enter your information for your answer here, okay? And then here's where you will copy and paste that screenshot picture. After you get done, you will click File, Save As, save it to your computer, or if you want to save it to your jump drive, you can decide what you want to save it as. But you can save it on your computer, what you would like, just as long as you know how to find it. Make sure you save it as something different, so that you'll know. So I'll just put my initials, save it in documents. So then I would go back to, let me go back to week, I think it's week 3. So I would go back, and when it's time to actually submit it, all right, I'm going to change it to student mode so you can see it from your end. You'll click here. All right. Browse my computer, go back and find that document where you actually saved it. So I saved mine. Where is, okay, you see it right there. Double click it and then you'll click submit. All right, and that's how, now it's gonna say that it won't submit mine because I'm the teacher with it, but you click submit. But like I said, make sure to go over the directions for it. That is all here, and just ensure that you're doing what's needed with it so that you can actually submit it correctly. Let me know, of course, if you have any questions.